need the belt big?
I probably would. I'm gonna have to chase him down.
Yeah, he's alright. You got him. I'll chase him. I'm gonna bring him in and then we'll... Want me to put it in the No. Yeah, he's a good sized tail.
I can't gain him. I use my groin.
I need that.
I'm a hunter. Alright, checking him out. See there? Could have been him.
Let me get you the belt.
Yeah, get that belt. The rest is just... You got a camera still there.
Maybe I didn't hear in the front.
No, it's in the
Oh, okay, sorry.
I'm gonna let you have a big face. You got a full length cover.
Hold on, let me snap it. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, I guess we'll turn the boat.
Please do, because this guy is
Yeah.
like...
I'm ready to get wet, though. I'm gonna take my glasses off. Want your glasses off? Okay. Let me help you out a little bit there. Go on, sit down, old man.
I'm doing Hemingway.
I still got the camera on you, just remember, make it good. I took it off. Yeah, I'm trying to hold it here. I don't know how that's working, but there you go. More more gas, or you're good this way?
Ah, we just
Okay. You want your beer?
yeah,
Just
cool
chilling.
real
Yeah.
down.
Yeah, nice try with I gotta take a piss. What'd you see back there? Could be a blue marlin.
Look big.
No, it was a sail. I want to say I saw it, but
I want to say you're right.
alright.
No, it's probably a sail.
Wow, it's coming up though. There you go. Is he?
Yeah. I only got like half the reel in.
The line's down. He must be deep then. Want me to just put stop or something?
You got me in the rocks, Jimmy. No, you keep going.
Because the line's like right here.
No, here.
God damn, taking over the bow. Oh, we got a bird showing up to the... He's definitely deep. Holy cow, he took some line.
Alright, put it neutral, Rob.
Alright, neutral it is.
I thought it was tall.
You want me to get the gloves on here?
Yeah, you might want him. I saw something. I saw something yellow, but I'm not
Yeah. Where would your gloves be? In the front
Right
seat?
here.
The front seat there?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm in neutral. And I've got the motor turned. Seen color at all? Not yet, huh?
I thought I saw something near the surface, but I guess I'm wrong.
Oh, he's behind us a little bit. I think he's like over... Oh no, alright. He's kind of right here. Definitely a sail. I know I saw him. Does he feel pretty heavy?
Yeah.
Alright.
He's down deep. He's in the rocks.
He's in the rocks, Jimmy. Got a picture of you and your belt. Don't fucking lose it.
Fucking lose it, Rob.
Not seeing color yet. He's still down there, man.
Yeah. I thought I saw something yellow. That's why I think it's stop.
That's alright. He's right here, so there's not much I can do as far as chasing him down. It's all pulling. Try to get bent and don't put this thing in the water as you bring it up. did look kind of big.
It looked like a marlin, but
Let's get a look at him.
we gotta wait till we see
Yeah. He's a fucking hefty one. I can't run him down anymore because he's so... I can back away a little bit if he needs. This looks like we have a helicopter or something following us. We can have some prime footage, Tommy. Don't give in. Stand your ground. I just want to keep him on this side if possible. Pulling the boat around this thing. Alright, holy cow, I saw it. Oh, well. I don't want to put him on this side of the boat because then the wave's going to push on him. Oh, okay, so he's out. Yep. You got color?
I saw him.
Oh, yeah, I see the lead. Holy shit, nice.
That's your name.
Nice. Yeah, below us, Blue Marlin.